Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking potatoes in the microwave. I have two potatoes over here. It's already washed and dry. What I'm gonna do is I have a barbecue stick over here and I'm gonna make a hole through just like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then both sides already have a hole, and then we're gonna do to the other part of the potatoes. So both side over here we already made a hole, one here and over here, both side, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other potatoes. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other potatoes, both side and both side. See, so what I did, I made two holes in the other side. All in all, there are 4 holes in these potatoes. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray this with vegetable cooking oil all over. So everything is coated with vegetable cooking oil, and we're gonna put it back. So I have a microwave safe bowl over here. So we're gonna put our potatoes over here, and we're gonna microwave it. And then we're gonna put a cover. So we're gonna open the microwave. You guys very careful because this is very hot. Ow, hot. Hot. Potatoes look like, let me puncture one. If it goes through, that's cooked. It is cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. If you see guys, it's very cooked. So I'm gonna put the potatoes over here, looking like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. And then I'm gonna add some vegetable spread. So that's how I cook my potatoes in the microwave. I hope you like this. It's my favorite part. Let's eat. Oh boy. Now, if you like cheese, you can put some cheese in it. If you want some cream sauce or whatever you want to put it in here, you can go ahead and add some. But me, salt and pepper and vegetable spread is just perfect for me. It's very tasty and quick. Look at that. It's good. You can see that. It's very, very good. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.